She's sweeter than sweet tea, a lover and a fighter, wilder than a hurricane. Category 5er, whether she's a gamecock or a tiger, she's a make you wanna stop and stay a whiler. Just how God designed her. She's Carolina.
Hey guys, so it's super late, like 3:14 in the morning, and I haven't picked the vlog since yesterday morning because I was asleep, and then I had to watch Arabella for a little bit because Desiree had to go to a doctor's appointment for the baby, and so yeah. But I have been working on editing vlogs. I've got a few done right now. I'm just compressing them at this point. So I'm actually compressing quite a few of them right now because I don't have any more to edit until I put the clips on here from what's already on the camera. So I've got, where am I? There we go. I've got 3 ready to compress. So I'm gonna start compressing them now. I've got some baby clothes that I'm gonna give to another mom in the in the washer right now. And a lady gave me this, which is a co-sleeper. I just need to get a bar. You guys, Bo is down there and Milo's up here. Milo. So yeah, it's just missing this one bar that goes in the side that folds down. So I just need to get that one bar, and then I've got a co-sleeper for him to sleep in next to me instead of his crib until he's a bit bigger. So I do, however, have to wash this, and I'm trying to figure out if the whole thing comes apart or not. I think it does. Like the whole outside comes off to wash it, because I would really love to wash it. I know this comes off. These little frilly frou things around the, I just took one off. So there's one on that side. I just took this one off. So David just put it together, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to take it apart and get it washed and then put it away somewhere until he's ready to come home and sleep in it when he's born. It shouldn't be that hard to take apart though, because I only have to take off like one side. So I'm taking it, like velcros. The whole thing velcros. So I just have to undo it enough to get these, to get one side of the bars out, and then I can throw it in the wash. There is a board in here, and I'm trying to figure out if the board comes out. Okay, yeah, the board does come out. Good, awesome. So yeah, I can take this whole freaking thing apart and wash it. David's asleep, you guys. He's got to be at work at 6, so he's sleeping. So I'm just working on baby stuff like normal. But yeah, I'm super excited, and the lady just gave it to us, so I didn't have to pay anything for it. Yeah, it's an arms reach co-sleeper. So I'm super grateful, even though I don't like the color, but it's whatever. It's awesome that she gave it to us, and that, because these things are expensive. Like, I was looking on Walmart's website, it was like $100 and some odd. So yeah, but I'm gonna get it apart and throw it in the wash next, so it's all clean, and then I'll put it away until she's here to use it, so the cats don't sleep in it too. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it apart, and you guys can, I guess, watch in case you ever get one or you're looking at getting one. You can see how to take it apart. So I'll just put you guys right there. Okay, all done. So here's one piece. Here's the other piece. And then the two bar covers and the sheet. And now I can throw them all in the washer. They'll all get cleaned. She did have some pets, so I definitely want to make sure that it's clean. And then, yeah, so I can just, I can either finish taking this apart and just put it in the crib like the rest of the stuff, which I'm probably going to do. Sorry if you guys can't hear me very well, because it's really only a few more screws. I feel bad though, because I had David take his time and put it all together. But it was a good thing, because then I realized that it was missing that one bar. So, and it's super easy to take apart. It's literally a few screws and some bars. And also you can adjust the height depending on how high your bed is. So that's cool too. David really got these put in. So, anyways, I'm just going to finish taking this apart, put it in the crib, and then throw the parts in the washer to get washed, and then I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Hey you guys, so it is 5:42. David has left for work, so I'm just now starting the vlog. I didn't feel good for a while, or else I would have started earlier. Anyways, so I'm doing some baby laundry right now. I'm washing. You guys will have seen a clip right before this of me taking apart a co-sleeper. I'm kind of washing all the parts to it now. Can you? Cat. This is ridiculous. Hey cat. Hey cat, get off. Thank you. Anyway, so yeah. So I'm washing it now. And I've gotten quite a few baby shower, or not baby shower, oh my gosh, vlog videos edited. I was looking at the baby shower footage, but I've got a few more to edit. But right now I'm just going to focus on uploading because our internet is going to be cut off in like the next couple days, so until we start getting paid and we can pay it. So anyways, so I'm gonna get the ones that I can uploaded. I've got 3 that need to be uploaded right now, so that's what I'm doing. Just gonna get them all uploading, so that I don't have to worry about that. And then hopefully we'll only be without internet for like a week or so. Hopefully. Don't count on that, but I'm just saying hopefully a week. So I've got the 17th, the 18th, and the 23rd uploaded. Or uploading. Yeah, and I've already got the 16th on there. So I don't think I'll have time to edit thumbnails and stuff because I gotta pay for my photo editing software. So you guys probably won't see any of these vlogs for a while. But, you know, once I get the internet and everything's back to normal, you guys will be flooded with like tons of vlogs. So, yep. Crap. I hate when I do that. Sorry, I'm trying to turn off the mouse without pressing buttons. Okay. So, the mouse is off. Anyways. So, I'm just waiting for that stuff to be done. So yeah, someone gave us the co-sleeper. A lady gave us the co-sleeper because I really want... Sorry, the bed keeps moving because it's not the right size. If you guys didn't know, the day of the baby shower, Renter Center came and repoed our bed, our mattress anyways, and our box springs. So a really nice lady from church gave us a queen, but it's in a king bed frame, so it moves a lot. So I have to keep adjusting it and moving the stuff, but it works. And once we get a new mattress, Desiree's getting this one. And if you guys are wondering, where Desiree and Arabella are, they're basically living with Emily. Not for any particular reason, they just are. So, and they'll be getting a 3-bedroom apartment come November 1st. I'm pretty sure I already said that one time. But anyways, once they get the 3-bedroom, Desiree will be taking this mattress and box spring and Arabella's toddler bed and all their other stuff, and they're gonna go move in. So you guys are probably wondering, well, what happens when Blaine's on his way? You guys, it's okay. She's going to call us, say that she's in labor. We will meet her at the hospital. It's not that big of a deal. The other day when she went to the emergency room because she was dehydrated and it was causing Braxton really bad Braxton Hicks contractions for hours, and the hospital told her, she called the doctor and they told her to come in. Anyways, when that happened, she called me, told me what was going on. She said she would keep me updated. So when she in fact goes into labor, she's going to call me or David and we will go up there. It's not that big of a deal. So that is what is going on with that. And that's fine, you know. It's good for her to live somewhere else after he's born anyways, just because it's going to be difficult anytime you give up a child. To be near that child is difficult. Not saying that she's not going to visit us, not saying that she's not going to have anything to do with him, just in the beginning while her hormones are readjusting in her body and stuff, she will be staying there. And she'll be living there after that because she wants to live there. So, and we're going to be moving. And my mom's going to sell this house. So, therefore, she's going to move there anyways. But anyways, I just wanted to put any thoughts or questions you guys might have out of your mind. Everything is fine. There was no fight or anything like that. She's just, ever since the hurricane, she's chose to stay there, which is fine. She still comes to see us. She still brings Arabella over and hangs out and stuff like that, so it's not that big of a deal. But, yeah. So I just got, well, I didn't just get, let's see. Hold on. I wanted to share something with you guys because I'm super happy about it. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry guys, I keep messing up something that shouldn't be messed up. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys now. So you guys remember I told you about my friend who's pregnant and she had miscarried before and that I wanted you guys to pray for. Well, she just sent me this last night. It's the first picture of her baby. So the baby's head's right here, the body, and then the legs. She's about 13 weeks. So her due date will be in April. And I'm super, super, super excited for her. You guys, like, me and her have been best friends for, I don't even know, like a long time. Like, since middle school, I think. So I'm super happy for her. And once Blaine stops using the co-sleeper, I'm going to give her the co-sleeper if she wants it. If not, because it was paid forward to me, hopefully I can get that replacement bar. I contacted Arm's Reach, and I'm going to see if I can get a replacement for that bar, the removable bar. Anyways, what do they call it? The removable rail. Anyways, even if I have to purchase that myself, I'm still going to pay forward the co-sleeper because it was paid forward to me. I'm just gonna, you know, fix it. There was something wrong with it, and I'm gonna fix it. And then I'm still gonna pay it forward. So if I pay it forward to her, then I'm gonna tell her that when she's done with it to pay it forward to somebody else, and it's just gonna keep going. And if she doesn't want it, then I'll pay it forward to someone else, and again I'll tell them to pay it forward to somebody else when they're done with it. I feel like if more women did that, a lot of moms wouldn't have to go without things, because other women would help other women. So, yeah. Anyways. So, I went through Blaine's clothes yesterday, and, because I had way too many. So, I took some out, just a few, not a whole bunch, and some socks and some mittens and stuff. So, I'm going to give those to another mom who's in need. I'm just waiting to hear back to see if they want them. If not, then I'll pay it forward. I'll post on a local pay it forward site and see if anybody needs it. So, and this is my thing, okay? Let's say you have something to pay it forward. If the person is not honest with you and they don't really truly need it, and then they ended up selling it, that's not, you can't not do something because somebody else might do something bad with it, if you get what I'm saying. So just because somebody might take advantage of you and take stuff from you and then sell it, you just kind of have to let it go. You did a good deed, you paid it forward, you let somebody who you thought needed it get it, you know. So, you know, I've noticed that with a lot of people, that they're like, I don't want to pay it forward because what if somebody lies and says that they need it when they truly don't? Then whatever, you know, you did the good thing. If they took advantage, that's on them. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I'm kind of delirious. I really don't feel good today. I feel sick to my stomach. I'm hoping it goes away. But anyways, I'm going to go back to watching what I was watching, which was Call the Midwife, and wait for the baby laundry to be done so I can bag up the stuff that I'm giving away, and then I can put the co-sleeper stuff into the dryer, and then once it's done drying I can put it away until it's ready to put up and stuff for Blaine. So yeah, it's kind of what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna go back to watching my show.
She's a Southern belle, tried and true. Sometimes I think she hung the crescent moon right over that palmetto tree.